Okay, I just want to make a quick video. This is February 21st, 2020, Friday, and I was doing some thinking. I just wanted to mention a couple of things. Over the past few weeks, the sun has been like pulsing and flashing and kind of like glaring, streaks through it, when you use your video camera from your phone or whatever. And it's been like shining really, streaks out from it, really, really strong ones, which has happened before, but these are like really bright and really strong, and it's going like four ways, like across through it. And that just happened here in the past week. But also in the past week, I've looked up at it because all of a sudden it got dim and there was nothing blocking it. And I checked and it's pulsing and flashing. Okay, but one thing else that happened this week was that the sun looks huge, bigger, a lot bigger than it's been looking. So like a week ago it didn't look this big, and now all of a sudden this week it's looking really big. And you can see it at sunset if you watch it. But the sun looks a lot bigger than it did about a week ago. But here's another thing I was going to mention that I don't quite understand is that in the evening when I look at the sunset, always because, seeing the sun, if it is our sun, is really bright, so we can't hardly look at it. You can't even watch the sunset hardly, okay? But I still watch the sunset and I kind of don't look at it and just kind of watch it a little bit and glance at it. Because it's bright all the way till it goes beneath, the horizon where you can't see it. Okay, but then what's happened is just in the past week, just this whole past week, I've been looking at it, and then it's I can actually look at it without the glare bothering me when it's close to the sunset. And that's when I'm seeing that it's really huge and bigger than it's been. Because you can kind of see it and get an idea of it at times, so you know how big it is. But just in the past week, I've been looking, and it's like really big. It's actually gotten bigger. So the only thing that I thought of that it could be is that the sun's expanding, which would be make it a red giant, but I don't think it can be a red giant from, different things that I've read about. But if it can be, then it's expanding and doing that. Um, but if it does that, then it's finished, and it only takes days for it to do that. So it can't be that because a video on the internet said that 2 months ago it was expanding too, so, and it's too long for like a red giant stage to expand and do its thing because that only takes like 5 days. So maybe it's expanding and contracting, but I don't think a sun could do that. And it's not the glare, it's the actual round sun part that I'm looking at. At least I think so anyway. I mean, I guess it could be glaring bigger, but I'm actually looking at the round sun part, and that's what it looks like to me. It looks like I'm looking at the solid, or not the solid, but the plasma solid sun part, not like the corona around it or whatever. I don't think that's what I'm looking at. I actually think I'm looking at the sun itself, and that is getting bigger. But if it's maybe the corona, which is the light around it, kind of, the atmosphere around it, if that's getting bigger, then okay, then fine. But but it's really looking really big now. I've never seen this before in my life, so it kind of is catching me by surprise with this. I'm very like interested in it because I can't believe how big it looks, and that I'm able to look at it. So the glare is gone at the horizon. The glare is gone at the horizon when it sets. Uh, so I'm able to look at it. So that's odd too. So if it's brighter and the corona is brighter, then why should I even be able to see it then? The edge of the sun. So what I'm trying to say is that at sunset, the glare is gone. I can see the sun clearly without the glare, and it's bigger. And that only happens right close to sunset, and it happened this week. I've seen it all week like that. So maybe other people have seen it, maybe not. If you have, please comment. I just wanted to share this video with you.